One common question I get from people just trying to gather their own information in their divorce or custody case is, can I access my spouse's or, my ex's electronic devices? Can I track their whereabouts? Generally, no. Yeah, hacking is illegal irrespective of whether you're a spouse or not, and you're not supposed to follow somebody, put a tracker on their car, generally speaking, anything like that. But private investigators can come in and do some of those things, provided they're legal. So one common question I get is, can the evidence gathered by the private investigator be used in a court proceeding? Absolutely it can, assuming that, again, nobody violated the law or anything like that. It can also be used in settlement negotiations or a mediation setting. So another common question I get is, can a private investigator help me on the financial portion of my case? And certain kinds of private investigators can. They can uncover things like hidden bank accounts, fraudulent wire transfers, or just assist in the discovery process where everyday run-of-the-mill searches on the internet or just regular bank statements might not necessarily uncover to the naked eye. Another common question I get is, will my spouse know that I've hired a private investigator? At some point, usually yes. Now, most of the time they conduct their investigations discreetly, so unless they're uncovered, they won't know about it at the time. However, if the evidence is ever presented in court or mediation, obviously the evidence at that point is going to come out. Further, there's a possibility that it'll become uncovered in the discovery process if the requested information is sought after. Another common question I get is, will hiring a private investigator make my case more contentious? It certainly can. Some people are highly offended by the fact that their spouse or their ex-husband or ex-wife has hired a PI to track their whereabouts or investigate them. However, you have to remember the whole point of hiring one is to gather information. Sometimes having that information will actually fast-track settlement negotiations and resolve the case quicker. Finally, ensure that you have a licensed private investigator with experience in the family law arena. You want somebody who's comfortable testifying in court and who is going to do a good job of getting you admissible evidence that's going to help you win your case.